Hi there, this is the Mi Band 3 by Xiaomi. This is a third generation of budget fitness band. Well, currently it is not available in India, but the good news is it's going to be available very soon, and it's approximately going to be priced between rupees 1700 and 2000. In this video, I'm going to do an unboxing and a hands-on overview of the Mi Band 3. So continue watching. This is your friend Texing. Let's get started. I purchased this from AliExpress and is shipped to me from China. Inside the package is an extra strap, and trust me, it looks beautiful. Can't wait to swap this with the original. Also included in the package is a screen guard to prevent scratches. No, it's not yellow like it looks, it's transparent. Let's open this. The specifications behind the box are all in Chinese, but let's see. 110 mAh battery, works with Android 4.4 and iOS 9 and above. Water resistant 5 ATM. 5 ATM is water resistancy up to 40-50 meters. So wearing it in the shower or for a swim, no problem at all. Let's quickly open this. The device is light plastic and the quality is really good. Let's peel off the sticker on the top. And it's already turned on actually, and it's in Chinese. The strap grooves on the Mi Band 3 are deeper compared to its predecessor Mi Band 2. So the device holds tightly in the strap. On the back we have the heart rate sensor, and on the bottom is the charging terminal. Mi claims the battery will last for 20 days. Sounds too good. We'll check in my full review. One black strap is included in the box. The strap is soft rubber, resistant to sweat and water. The quality of the strap is really good. And this is the USB charging dongle. You simply slide the device in and plug the USB in any charging brick. This is the user manual and it's in Chinese. The Mi Band, when sold in India, will have the manual in English. Let's fix the tracker in the strap and then pair it with our phone. So to start pairing, first we're going to make sure that the Mi Band is turned on. Then we take our Android phone or iPhone and we download the Mi Fit app. But before that, we're going to make sure we have turned on Bluetooth. So we go to settings, we go to Bluetooth and we turn it on. Okay, go back, go to the Mi Fit. Since I've not signed in, I'll sign up for it for the first time. Choose your country. Now I prefer signing in with Google. You can sign in with me, with WeChat, with Facebook. I'll go with Google. So it's done. It'll sign in. Tap to pair device. You click on it. Band. The following data will be collected after you pair. Okay. Access location. Got it. Allow. Keep it close to your phone. Okay, pairing. Once paired, you will see the language automatically set to English. So we are good to go. Let's check out the Mi Band 3 interface. So you tap here, shows you date and time. Swipe down, it says more. Since this is the tagline, you go left and it shows you how to start. So you hold here. And there's a vibration and you can see that the stop timer has started. You click here, it stops. Pressing it here will reset it. Let's go back. Okay, then you can turn it on silent. You can find your device using this. And what else is there? Okay, screens. Let's see, what do we have in here? Tap and hold to enter. And they have around 3 screens for us. So I think this is good. This is nice, big and bold, so that it is right now. Notifications. So when you get notifications, you can check them here. This is the weather for today, weather for tomorrow, and for Saturday. For 3 days you have weather. You have heart rate sensor. You have to hold it here. I'm not wearing it, so I don't know how effective it will be, but we'll check it out later. Steps is the step counter, how many steps, distance you've traveled, burned, and battery. That's it. So it's basically simple. You will get your call notifications and app notifications on the screen, and it works good. So let's have a quick view at the app. So the app is good actually. It's a complete app where you can start your activities, you can go into your profile, you can set activity goals. Mine have set at 8,000. Weight goals, friends, you can compare with friends, you can add accounts, activity alerts. So it will tell you whether you're going for a run, behavior tagging. So it's a comprehensive, huge app. It has lots and lots of settings. Let's quickly change the strap and see how it looks. Wow, that actually looks really beautiful. There are many colors available. I'll leave a link in the description. You can check it out. So the Mi Band looks extremely promising. Some of its key features like the app and call notification, 50 meters water resistance, so you can wear this when you're going for a swim. You can change the bands, multiple color bands are also available. There's a 20-day battery life. I think that is amazing. 20-day battery life on a smart band. What more do you want? And it costs only around 2,000 Indian rupees, which I think is a steal. The motion tracking and the health management of Xiaomi Mi Bands previously have also been pretty consistent and positive. I got the Mi Band 3 from AliExpress for $30, which is approximately rupees 2050. Along with that, I got one scratch guard for the Mi Band and one extra strap. I'll leave the links in the description if you like to buy one. The shipment from China from AliExpress took around 22 days for me to receive it. I will also be doing a full review video on the Mi Band 3 very soon. So subscribe to my channel if you still haven't already. You can write down in the comments section and ask me questions regarding the Mi Band 3. I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, cheers.